The West Indies will be trying to avoid leaving New Zealand winless when the teams do battle in the third and final T20 International at the Bay Oval on Wednesday morning Caribbean time. The West Indies, who trail 1-0 in the series, having lost the first match while the second was rained out, also lost the Test Series 2-0 and the ODI Series 3-0. The Caribbean side also lost a practice game. Should the Windies lose the game, it would not be the first time that they would tour New Zealand and not win a competitive match, as they suffered the same fate in the 1999-2000 tour. The Windies may consider bringing back fast bowler Jerome Taylor in place of medium pacer Kesrick Williams, who has so far conceded 76 runs from 5 overs. The West Indies' task of beating the Kiwis in the third match has been made harder with the return of pacer Trent Boult for the host nation. Boult is making a return after missing the first 2 T20s and will possibly replace Doug Bracewell. If the Kiwis win the series 2-0, they will leapfrog Pakistan to become the top-ranked T20 international team. The match could also be hampered by poor weather, with rain predicted in the afternoon.